Introducing the Harvard Negotiation Institute Advanced Mediation Workshop, Mediating Complex Disputes. Join dozens of professional mediators from around the world at Harvard Law School for a week-long advanced mediation workshop. Immerse yourself in learning with select practicing mediators from North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, and global non-government organizations. These are both lawyers and non-lawyer mediators who specialize in very different kinds of practices. All of them experienced practitioners who share a common desire to expand their knowledge, learn new techniques, and strengthen their personal theories of practice. This Harvard Negotiation Institute program is led by a distinguished team of internationally known experts, acknowledged pioneers in their field. The instructors draw on their own experience and very different styles or practice, while helping the participants reflect together on the challenges of sustaining a mediation practice. During the advanced workshop, you will participate in a number of simulations and be asked to play the roles of a client, lawyer, and mediator. We examine many different kinds of conflict and explore the difficulties posed by principal-agent tensions, clashing values, and high levels of emotion. During the second half of the week, we tackle the added complexity associated with multi-party problems, including in the public realm. The workshop aims to help each participant acquire new techniques and address a range of challenging questions. What cases would you decline to mediate, and why? How do you deal with the ethical dilemmas that often arise in mediation? What responsibility do you as a mediator have for the possible impacts of mediated agreements on affected parties who are not at the table? When would you call a halt to a mediation? In addition to analyzing and evaluating your own assumptions, you will have multiple opportunities to sharpen your mediation skills through real-time feedback from master practitioners and from fellow experienced participants. Specifically designed for professionals with prior mediation training and experience, this unique, limited enrollment, advanced mediation workshop will help you take your mediation practice to the next level. Over the course of 5 days, you'll gain an expanded toolkit, forge lifelong friendships, and join a growing global circle of alumni advanced mediators. Join us at the Harvard Negotiation Institute Advanced Mediation Workshop, Mediating Complex Disputes. This program runs on the Harvard Law School campus each June. Registration is limited, and the program fills up quickly. Register today